Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for making this your channel of choice. Makhadzi tweeted earlier today akati iye akuona kuti zvakafanira kuti azviuraye. Abva anyora akati zvoni, this is for good, rest in peace to myself. Please don't call me, no one will answer. Achipedza ipapo. After a few minutes, she deleted the tweet, but the message had already spread. Timurama screenshot rara to bata basa. So many people are actually worried kuti kumasure rike akashaika the same way. Pamwechete na Patrick Shai and many other stars. Nyaya iripo ndeyekuti are they depressed, or they are actually going through a lot due to the effect of my pressures are now this industry. So many people are actually worried, and they've tried to get hold of Makhadzi, but their phone is not going through. Abango make sure kuti angozvivhara zvakadaro. I think this is a conversation that people need to have. Kuti depression is real, and I don't know how, but the celebrities need to learn how to contain the pressure that is around them. If it means you cancel a gig, if it means a good team, there are deals that you can stop, then you should go ahead and do that, because kana tasvika pakudai so azvizomiri zvakanaka naika. My netizens are actually saying Makhadzi ari kuita zvemujolo pane kudanana kuri kuitika. So varambana since anyora iye akati she is now single. So maybe that is the issue yaita kuti asvike pakuda kuzviuraya zvakaoma.